Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Queen Clarion's look in Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is for the outfit. Okay, alright, and first of all guys, you can choose this hairstyle and then you're going to color it with this color. And you're going to make it default. And you're going to select this hairstyle and choose the only bangs, and you're going to make it this color, and then you're going to put on this flower crown. Make it this color for the first selection, second selection, third selection, fourth selection, and fifth selection. And then you can do a little adjustment. You're going to position it like this, rotate it like this, and scale it like this. Alright, and put on this wings. This is from the VIP room, but if you don't have VIP, you can choose the wings from right here. Okay, you can choose the wings from here, and then you can color it like this for the first selection, second selection, and the third selection. Okay, and for this wings, you can make it this color. Okay, and then the next one guys, I'm going to go to the changing room. Okay, and I'm going to select the top from the Madoka set, this one. Okay, and I'm going to remove all of them. Okay, and then for the color guys, I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, and for the next selection I'm just going to leave it like that and then make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the coats item and I'm going to choose this dress, and again I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, done guys. Alright, and then I'm going to move to this area, World Culture Clothing area, and then we're going to select this skirt, and again I'm going to make it this color for the first selection and also the second selection, and then I'm going to make it this color. I'm going to make it glitter. Okay, for the first selection and also the second selection. Okay guys, and the next one, I'm going to go to the VIP room and I'm going to choose this butterfly top. Okay, and I'm going to make it this color for the first selection, the second selection, the third selection. Just make it this color until the last selection. Okay, it's done guys. And then I'm going to put on this item as well, and then I'm going to make it the same color. Okay, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to dress like Queen Clarion from Tinkerbell. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.